Start.
স্টার্ট তো হয়নি।
Hello.
হ্যালো,
Mitu, please start. Our presentation is running.
আসসালামু আলাইকুম। I am Sumaya Akhtar Mitu. My ID is 2411517. First and foremost, I would like to extend my sincere gratitude to our respected course teacher, Dr. Nazneen Sultana, Associate Professor of the Department of Computer Science and Engineering at Daffodil International University, and my hardworking team members Shahela Ahmed and Pooja Haldar. Our project title is the Ibn Sina Smart E-Medicine System. Now, if you look at the subtitle, you will see the phrase Integrated Hospital Management Solution. I want to take a moment to explain what that truly means. We did not just want to build a simple website or a basic app. An integrated solution means we are building a digital ecosystem. We are connecting the inventory, the doctors, and the patient into one single seamless loop. We choose Ibn Sina as our case study because it is a high volume hospital. We realized that in a busy hospital, manual work is not just slow, it is dangerous. A lost file or a wrong stock count can affect patient health. Now, moving to the next slide. Before we discuss our innovation, we must look at the reality of the current system. We found four big problems. Number one, manual file keeping. Everything is done on paper. There are no digital records. This means if a doctor needs a patient file, they have to find it by hand, which wastes a lot of time and causes mistakes. Second, no online appointments. Patients actually have to go to the hospital just to book a time slot. This creates long lines and makes a patient suffer. Next, operational issues. Managing inventory by hand causes problems. Often there are mistakes in counting stocks or medicine runs out without anyone noticing. Finally, no remote monitoring. Right now, once a patient leaves the hospital, there is no way to track their health. Doctors cannot help them if someone goes wrong at home. If something goes wrong at home. Next slide. To fix these problems, we propose our solution, the Smart E-Medicine app. We are moving away from the old, manual way of doing things. Instead, we are building a smart, automated system. Our goal is to change the hospital from a place that uses paper file to a modern digital platform that saves time and helps patients better. Now, to explain exactly how this system works, I invited my team member Shaila Ahmed to continue. Thank you.
Thank you, Sumaya. Assalamu alaikum, ma'am. I'm Shahil Ahmed, ID 2411596. Now I'll talk about the core of our innovation lies in the integration of artificial intelligence and the Internet of Things. On the AI side, we use machine learning algorithms to enhance efficiency. For example, we have predictive stock management, where the AI forecasts medicine shortages before they occur. We also use AI to analyze patient history for an auto discount system, which fosters patient retention. On the IoT side, we utilize connected devices for real time data. This includes RFID smart shelves that automate inventory counting to eliminate manual errors, and smart wristbands that provide continuous remote heart rate monitoring for patient safety. Next slide. Now let's look at the how this data actually flows through our system. Please take a look at our DFD level 1 diagram. This diagram illustrates the primary data flows, specifically focusing on the smart inventory and AI sales process. If you look at the patient entity, you can see they provide symptoms and requests which flow into the consultation management system. Simultaneously, IoT sensors are feeding real-time vitals and heart rates directly into the system. Crucially, look at the smart inventory process. It receives automated stock counts from the RFID sensors. If stock is low, it automatically sends the restock request the supplier and manages the delivery system. Finally, the system processes payments via online banking and generates a digital receipt for the patient. This diagram highlights how raw data from sensors and patients is transformed into actionable outputs like automated orders and payments. Next slide. This is our decision tree for auto discounts. We designed this logic to remove staff bias and automate the checkout process. Here is how the logic works. First, the system identifies the patient type. If they are irregular, no discount is applied. If they are regular patient, the system checks the purchase amount. If the amount is less than 500 BDT, there is no discount. However, if a regular patient purchases more than 500 BDT, the system automatically applies a 25% discount. This ensures consistent application of benefits free from human discretion. Thank you, ma'am, for your kind attention throughout the presentation. Now, to discuss the financial viability of this logic, I would like to call upon Pooja.
Thank you, Sahila. I'm Pooja Haldar. My ID is 24 on 5 and 8 on 5. I would like to discuss cost benefit analysis. So, we performed a cost analysis to determine the financial feasibility of the medicine shop module. Firstly, we have invested 6 lakhs BDT and we have some costs like shop rent, which is 20,000 BDT per month and 1 lakhs BDT per month. Finally, the total cost is 1,20,000 BDT. If we want to calculate payback period, we have to calculate the overall cost and annual cash return, which is nearly 1.66, which means our payback period is 1 year and 8 months, which is very cost benefit, and that's why we will be benefited by the system. And finally, we will get huge amount of profit by the system. So I want to propose Ibn Medicine app, which will solve the critical issues of manual dependency and lack of remote access identified during our survey. By integrating AI for prediction and IoT for automation, this system not only modernizes the hospital's operations but also ensures a better healthcare experience for patients. The financial analysis confirms that the system is sustainable and profitable within a short period. So we have chosen the e-medicine for Ibn Sina Medical Hospital. Thank you, ma'am, and thank you, my team members.